In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly reorder your to-do items in our project management tool, ensuring you have a streamlined and organized task list to boost your productivity. So, let's dive right into it. First, go ahead and enter into your project space. This is where all your tasks and plans come together, so make sure you're in the right project before proceeding. Once you're in, you'll need to access the To-Dos tool. This handy feature is where all your tasks reside, allowing you to manage your workload efficiently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it much before. Now, let's get to the list where your specific to-do items are living. This list is essentially your working ground for today's task. Find the list that contains those to-do items you want to reorganize. By focusing on this particular list, you can ensure that your tasks are ordered exactly as needed for optimal workflow. Next, as you move your cursor over the to-do item you aim to move, you'll notice a special icon appearing nearby. This icon, often resembling 4 small arrows or lines, is your drag handle. It's a visual cue designed to let you know where to click to rearrange your list items seamlessly. Carefully click on this drag handle and, while holding down the mouse button, drag the to-do item up or down within the list. As you do this, watch how the items shift positions in response to your movement. This functionality gives you complete control over the order of your tasks, allowing you to prioritize what's most important or urgent. Once you find the perfect spot for your task, simply release the mouse button, and voila, your item drops right into the desired position. What if the task belongs to an entirely different list, though? No problem. The process is just as simple. Click and drag the to-do item beyond the bounds of the current list into the new list section. This feature is incredibly useful if you realize that a task fits better within another category or project phase. By dragging and dropping, you ensure each task sits where it's most logical, making your to-do lists not only tidier, but more contextually relevant. Remember, organizing to-do lists in this way isn't just about aesthetics. It's enhancing your task management efficiency. A well-organized list can significantly impact your productivity, allowing you to focus on what's essential at each step of your project. So take a few moments daily or weekly to reorder your to-dos as needed. Trust me, this little bit of maintenance can save you a lot of time and hassle down the line. That's all it takes to rearrange your to-dos effectively. Keep your tasks in the right order and see how much more manageable your days become. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more organizational tips.